When the heartbeat stops, what happens? We are finished. The same way, when the data of the business is gone or stolen or gets corrupted, the business is finished. Hi everybody, I'm Kewal Kishan, India's leading business automation coach, and I want to tell you that data is the most precious thing of your business. Data is the future of your business, and you cannot compromise with the security of your data, right? And that is what I'm going to cover in this lesson. When it comes to storing the data on just our systems, on our laptops, on our local servers, imagine what happens if our laptop gets stolen or if our hard disk gets crashed, our data will be gone. And that is the reason the cloud technology has been the revolutionary technology where the business owners are actually storing their precious data on the cloud so that even if the laptop, if the devices are gone, still they can access the data from the cloud technology. And one of the biggest player in the cloud technology has been none other than Google. Google has been one of the biggest player, and that is the reason business owners, 6 million business owners span world, are using Google Workspace to manage their business so that the business owners can really obviously, first of all, automate the business processes. With that, they can store the data, they can save the data, and they can feel relaxed that their data is completely secured. So let's understand that why Google Workspace is the most secure platform on the earth right now. Awesome, Google Workspace, the most secure platform on the earth right now. So what makes it most secured? So let's start with the first point, first reason. First of all, Google has got data encryption at every step, right? So you might have some confidential data, but in the Google server, the data is encrypted at every step. So nobody can decode on what is that particular data. Second point, which is more important, is perfect forward secrecy. So encrypts content as it moves between the server and those of other company. So Google, whenever your content you upload on Google, it's shift from one server to another, it already is encrypted and nobody can decode that. Now let's go to the third point and understand the 100% email encryptions. A lot of business owners come to me and they ask me, Kewal, we are right now using just some outdated Excel files and our data is on the laptop. And we're just wondering if somebody puts a pen drive and steals the data, or if our laptop gets crashed, our data is gone. How can we make sure that our data is secure? The answer is Google Workspace. Yes, there are multiple other solutions as well in the world right now, but when it comes to the security and when it comes to the time, the server time up all 100% time, then Google beats all other players. Third point is 100% email encryption. So you know what? Every single email which you send or which you receive is encrypted while moving between Google's data centers. And this ensures that your messages are safe, not only when they are moving in between your devices and Gmail servers, but also when they are moving internally within Google as well. Because Google is following one of the world's biggest standards, and that is the reason internally their employees can also not access on what is in your data. It's completely encrypted while moving from one device to another and in between the Google server, right? And that is the reason I recommend to every business owner to go ahead and start using Google Workspace to automate the business, right? Another reason why Google Workspace is the most secure technology for startups, for SMEs, is this. First of all, it is very affordable, right? It comes with a very cheap, very low cost. It's like if you're having 10 employees, the cost of managing everything on Google Workspace costs less than 1,250 rupees for 10 employees if you take the Google starter package. So it's equal to as having 2 pizzas a month. That's it, right? So fourth reason why Google Workspace is more secured is strengthening encryption. So Google doubled its RS encryption key length to 2014 2048 bits and started changing them every few weeks, and it is raising the bar for the rest of the industry as well. Let's go with the fifth reason. It has got most secured authentication as well. So Google has got two-step authentication, two-step verification. So whenever, for example, you sign up for the your email ID, you sign up with the email ID and password, you can actually set up the two-step authentication verification where the SMS will the verification code will come to your mobile and you will put up in the email and then you will be able to log in. So what happens? The two-step verification greatly reduces the risk of unauthorized access by asking the users for the additional proof of identity when signing up. What more do you want when you're actually managing everything in cloud, right? Now, sixth thing is suspicious login monitoring. This is one of the features which I love the most. So imagine, for example, right now I'm using a MacBook product. Imagine if I buy a new Windows laptop, and if I'll try login from that laptop, brand new laptop which nobody has logged in before, what will happen? Google will send an email to me immediately that somebody has logged in to your profile, to your email account from a new device, and it gives you two options: that is it you or is it somebody else? So if you choose is it somebody else, then you can it gives you the option to change the password and everything. But if it chooses that it is you, then only Google gets showed that okay, you are actually logging from any other device. So actually Google notify you of any suspicious login so that you can ensure that your accounts are completely secured. Now we have got students from multiple industries: manufacturing, trading, services, construction. We are right now automating 3,500 business owners across 25 plus industries in 70 plus cities in India and across 5 plus more countries. And we have got solopreneurs, small team, big team, having business owners having turnover of maybe 1 crore turnover to actually 300 crore turnover as well. And Google Workspace is comfortable for all of them because everybody wants the secrecy and the security of data. If you're a solopreneur just starting out, or even if you're a big player, nobody wants to compromise on the data security, right? Now, next reason why Google Workspace beats every other technology is Gsuite. Google Workspace offers a 99.9% service level agreement, which means that Google has no scheduled downtime or maintenance windows. Where if you see other technologies, maybe once or twice a month, every other technology, they notify you that okay, from 9 p.m. midnight to 3 a.m. in the morning, there will be a downtime where you will be maintaining something. But if you're in a business where your clients are from US or other countries, or your business is running 24/7, then you cannot afford to have any kind of downtime. And Google understand that, and that is the reason, unlike other most providers, Google plans for all applications like forms, sheets, etc. to always be available even when they are upgrading the services or maintaining their systems, right? So that is the reason Google Workspace is the most secured platform on earth. And if you're a business owner, if you're into any industry, you're just starting a business, or you're an established business owner, and if you want to get rid of daily firefighting, if you want to systemize a business and increase the productivity of your employees, then I invite you to my exclusive 2 hours business automation masterclass, where I'm going to train you on how can you put your business operations on autopilot and manage your entire business working just 1 hour a day. I look forward to see you there. The link is given in the YouTube description. Now, I'm sure that this video has been most value driven video for you, because in this video I'm just trying to make you understand on why Google Workspace is the technology which is most secure for you. If you've got any other doubts, please put it in the comment box and I'll resolve that by replying it on. If you want any other topic which you want me to create videos upon, especially on the Google Workspace or business automation topic, then go ahead and put it in the comment box what more topics you want me to cover. Right? I'm here to serve you. And second, I want you to click on the subscribe button, click on the bell icon, and share this video with as many business owners, friends who are right now stuck in outdated Excel files or just managing everything on diaries. Go ahead and help them so that they can also upgrade their business. Right? They can also make the employees happy by automating the business on Google Workspace. I look forward to help you. Keep learning, keep automating, and keep scaling. Kewal Kishan signing up.